and you're just doing it, just load it in like a 45-degree angle and then flatten your brush. Do another one. And they're gonna do so you're gonna do is another one. So you're gonna do is just like go ahead and add more if you want to. And like gonna be continue. And then add it on. And then you are happy with this, we're gonna cure. And cure it. Do you save life? Yes, we do save the life. All right, so the next one. Oh, Mika, thank you. Especially them gold, that's awesome. We have whites and white. Let's do red colors. We are going to, the red looks really good. You know what, you can do like kind of a light, you can mix it to different colors and swirl in a different way as well. So this is the main 12 primary colors. You can definitely even create more colors by mixing them. Let's do it more swirl. I'll flat skew this one after you're happy with this. You can see that the gel is just not running at all. Like, stay right there, you know? Okay, flat skew. Your favorite color. Yes, Mika. And then want to move on to the royal. So royal is like a more lighter colors instead of looking dark. It's like more in royal blue. Yeah, it is. At first you load it, touch it in like a 45-degree. Be careful when it's not top coat yet. You can see that how it is going and is not like runny at all. It's like stay really nice, and the pigment is beautiful. Do you have a lot of clients like doing just like the line only? I see a lot of you have the clients like here for 60 seconds. Move into the different one. Oh, this one will be perfect for skinny French. You want to see this how skinny French is? I really want to do swirls on this one, but I'm going to show you the skinny French first. Looks cool, huh? I can do whole nails if you want to. And as so, you can do a little bit thicker if you want to. If you want like really seeing it. Some clients just want to really skinny. It's perfect. It's the brush is so precise, so you can see that I can definitely doing it really over and over. Without worry about it's not gonna be. Yeah. So we do another one right there. Just for a lot of you that don't have any brush or just want to do like a skinny French or swirl, this is gonna be a perfect gel painting because it's so convenient. It's really convenient for me, as it's like I can do straight lines, but that is the simplest way. Okay, here you can add the gold lines on it, and we have purple. And then we have gold on it. Hold on, do we have gold? Yeah, we do have gold. This purple is beautiful. Again, if you want to do it on like a skinny French, you can. If you're not, you can do silver. There's thousands of different ways. So then I just said earlier, I'm gonna show you how easy it is on earth the sword you can definitely achieve. And with this just on one colors, keep in mind you can do it's like in different colors, more than just one. You can do this with gold, you can do this with silver, you can do this with like gold, silver, you can do with yellows, you name it. There's so many different colors you can do with. All right, and like here, maybe one more, just a little bit. Okay, here. Hi, X-Millie, thank you so much. Silver. What we're doing with the silver is gonna show really cool.
So we can give you some colors, please. Silver.
Silver.